Hello and happy holidays. I'm James Knight, founder of Gentle Somatic Yoga, and I'm making this video because I wanted to announce one of our holiday specials that are coming up and also describe what that is. We chose to create another live stream training course, levels 1 and 2. And these training courses are not only for yoga teachers and yoga therapists, body workers, but they're also for anyone wanting to learn skills for self-care and self-healing. We just made a decision last week, me and my team, to cut back on our in-person events also into next year, 2022, because of the pandemic and travel restrictions. So this is a unique opportunity to train with me directly, live stream. So the level 1 course is going to start in March. I believe it's March 12th, and it's going to go for 3 weekends in a row. And through this course, you'll be learning 25 somatic movement flows. Those are the flows that access specific anatomical focus, specific muscle groups, and repatterning them to their optimal length in a resting position, otherwise known as flexibility. So when the body releases stress and contraction, then naturally our strength improves, our posture improves, and we just feel freer in everyday movement. So as I was mentioning, yes, this work attracts a lot of people that are movement educators, but we've changed and opened our trainings to include just anyone wanting to improve their health. So that's live stream level 1. 6 weekends in a row. All the sessions will be recorded, so if you have to miss one, you can easily go back. And then we have live stream level 2 starting in April and goes until May. And then with level 2, I'll be offering an additional 29 more somatic movement flows, including addressing the energy and the emotional bodies. And when I'm talking about bodies, I'm mentioning not only just the physical body, but the mental, the emotional, and the spiritual bodies as well. So this is an incredible opportunity. I was happily surprised. I've only offered live streaming level 1 and level 2 once, and that was this past summer due to the pandemic of not being able to travel. And so this next year, we actually are removing some of our in-person events because there are still some restrictions and things are changing. So this is an incredible opportunity to train with me. And one of the unique traits of my teaching style is that it's highly experiential and it's tailored and customized for each group. And so what that means is that I have this inner sense of feeling and sensing people, and not only do we learn from each other, but also I learn as a facilitator. So basically, gentle somatic yoga, the method of gentle somatic yoga and somatic wellness continues to evolve with every single training course. I was just in Mexico recently in October 2021 for a gentle somatic yoga level 3 class. And for an example, that group and that experience, which was incredible to be in Sayulita, Mexico, is I learned so much as I do, as experts from other fields come and practice with me, and then also opening up to this other demographic for anyone that wants to learn to self-heal. And so my teaching style has changed, and so I'm really looking forward to presenting for this live stream in level 1 coming up next year. Again, March for level 1 and April for level 2. So we are, we're offering this as a bundle because we want to get more people involved. And we get a lot of inquiries every day, pretty much here behind the scenes at Gentle Somatic Yoga. More people would like to be trained. More people would like to learn these skills so they can develop a home practice. And then also if you're an educator, then you can pass these along to customize one-on-one sessions or teaching group movement classes, either in person or online. So I want to see if there's anything more I want to share about these live stream courses. Well, I can break it down a little bit. So the way that I like to teach is I like to offer you an embodied experience of the somatic movement flows right at the very beginning. So with every session, I start with a 1-hour class, and then we move into a learning laboratory. So that means once you've embodied the experience of releasing stress and tension, and you're feeling our natural state, which is peace and well-being, then I will review each somatic movement flow, and you can ask me questions in real time, questions you have about your body, or maybe you're thinking of a friend or a family member or a client or a student that has a special condition. So in these group dynamics, this is where the gold comes through in the teachings, I really feel, because then we can modify the somatic movement flows, and we can create modifications and also learn how to use props and other things to help people feel comfortable to get maximum benefit. After a break, then we expand into learning more about the neuroscience and the philosophy and the method of gentle somatic yoga. Afterwards, we break out into smaller groups, and this is all done through Zoom, where you can practice the somatic movement flows. So even if you're not a movement educator, yoga teacher, yoga therapist, I feel like this is really valuable also for the everyday person who just wants to learn, like I mentioned before. And so you get to practice right away, embodying the somatic movement flows even deeper. So that's pretty much the format of what we do each training class, each training session. And then sorry, I have so much I want to share with you. You'll also have access to our online program. Online is different than live stream. Online means that you can, they're self-paced courses, just like the live stream. The somatic movement flows are the same in the live stream as they are on our online course, but you'll have access to the online course so that you can watch the videos. You can print out handouts from the step-by-step instructions. It's an incredible resource, actually. It's just another way to support your education from the live stream, is giving you access to our online program with no cost. As I mentioned, you'll have access to the recordings also. And if you are a teacher and you want to get certified, then there's perks also, because you can add the certification later. We will be practicing the teach backs. You have to create a teach back and send it in a video format, but then you can be added to our website. You'll have your own page where we can support you. People are asking all the time, is there a practitioner in certain parts of Australia, Canada, Mexico? We get requests from all over the world. So basically, by taking these live stream courses, then you join me and a bunch of other amazing people from around the world in what I call our Somatic Tribe. And it's my pleasure and my joy, well, I'm getting chills right now, to connect people and network with people. And the future of gentle somatic yoga, somatic wellness, is I want to include more courses for lifestyle. So that means relationships, art, meditation, travel. So I really feel like these levels 1 and level 2, create the foundation, a very solid foundation, so that we can continue to expand as a collective into other fields that support our value systems, our ethics, taking the same principles and then just, going further. So anyway, thank you for your patience as I'm sharing my deepest passion and my love. I'm really hoping that you'll take advantage of this offer. I don't know whether I'll be teaching another live stream next year. Just take it step by step. If you have any questions, please reach out at customercare@gentlesomaticyoga.com. Take a look at this landing page that we've created. And of course, if you have any specific questions for me, then just say, hey, this is a question for James. I'll get it and I'll respond to you directly. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'm wishing love and blessings for incredible connections, heartfelt connections during this holiday seasons, and I hope to see you into the beginning of the new year.